Dear students, welcome to the online class. How are you? Hope that you are doing well. Dear students, I am Raghunath Bonik, Assistant Professor, Department of Statistics, Milestone College. Dear students, previous lecture I discussed the mathematical problem of index number from the chapter 7. Today I will discuss a creative question from the chapter. Let's move. At first I will read the question, then finally we can answer. Dear students, the market rate of the base and current year for the different commodities are given below. There are 4 commodities A, B, C and D. This is the base year 2010 and current year 2013. Commodity A, base year against base year price 12, quantity 4. Against commodity B, base year price 8 and quantity 10. Against commodity C, price 14, quantity 3. Against commodity D, price 20, quantity 5. Similarly, current year against commodity A, price 15, quantity 6. Against commodity B, price 10, quantity 8. Against commodity C, price 16, quantity 4. Against commodity D, price 25 and quantity 6. Question number A, what is base year? Number B, this is the knowledge based question. Number B, index numbers are called economic barometer. Explain. This is the comprehension question. C, calculate the Laspers price and quantity index number. And last, show that Fisher's index satisfy time and factor reversal test from the STEM. At first, the students want to at first we know that what is base year. Base year, that means the index number is constructed that years which is called the base year. Okay, dear students. Second question, index numbers are called economic barometer. Dear students, index numbers measure the pulse of an economy and acts as barometer to find the ups and downs of the economic condition of any country. Dear students, if this index number of price, bank deposit, reserve, etc. Light on the variation of the level of the business activity. If this index be combined into a composite index, then resultant could act as a economic barometer. Just as a barometer measures an atmosphere pressure, then in this way index numbers are helpful for the measuring the pressure of the economic and business behavior of any country. For this reason, we want to say index number is the economic barometer. Okay, dear students, have you understand? Now we calculate the question number C, the Laspers price and quantity index. At first we want to calculation table, necessary calculation table. We can write solution C, table for necessary calculation, table for necessary calculation. Necessary calculation. Lesson. Okay. At first, PO, QO, PN, QN, POQO, POQN. Okay. PO, QO, PN, QN, POQO, POQN, PNQ, QN, POQN, PNQO. 12, 8, 12, 8, 12, 8, 14, 20. 4, 10, 3, 5, 15, 10, 16, 25, 6, 6, 8, 4, 6. Now we'll calculate the dear students. Now we multiply PO and QO. And PO multiple QO. 12 multiple 4, 48. 8 multiple 10, 80. 14 multiple 3, 42. 20 multiple 5, 100. Then sum total PO QO equal to 270. 270. Now we can calculate PN multiple QN. Okay. So 15 multiple 6, 90. 10 multiple 8, 80. 16 multiple 4, 64. 25 multiple 6, 150. The sum total of PN QN equal to 384. 84. Now we can calculate PO multiple QN. So 12 multiple 6, 72. 8 multiple 8, 64. 14 multiple 4, 56. 20 multiple 6, 120. 56. Then sum total of PO QN. So sum total PO QN equal to 312. At last we multiply the PN and QO. 4 multiple 15, 60. 10 multiple 10, 100. 3 multiple 16, 48. 5 multiple 25, 1 to 5. Then sum total of PN QO equal to 333. Now we can write a formula, the Laspeyres price index. You know that, my dear students. So we can write the formula of Laspeyres price index. Last year's price index, we can write last year's price index number. Last year's price index number. Price index number. We denoted PON equal to summation PN QO by summation PO QO, then multiple by 100. Everybody, you know the formula. Now putting the value from the table, we can write summation PNQO 333 divided by 270, then into multiple 100 equal to 123.33. So it is this index is increased, so we can write in this method comment in this method the price of index, the price is increased by 123.33 minus 100% or 23.33% in the base year. In the current year with respect to the base year. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understand. Now we can calculate the last year's quantity index number. Similarly, last year quantity index number, we can write the formula Q suffix n equal to summation Qn PO by summation QO PO. That's equal to PO QN equal to PO QN 312. That means the calculation is, the result is approximately 1.3. You can check the calculation. So here quantity is increased, so we can write in this method the quantity is increased by 111.3 minus 11.3% in the current year with respect to the base year. Okay, dear students, next we can calculate the question number D. Question number D. Question number D. D now question. time reversal test of Fisher's index. Time reversal test of Fisher's index. Fisher's index. Okay. Now we write the formula PON equal to, we know the formula, the geometric mean of Laspeyres and Peches price index, summation PNQ by summation POQ multiple summation PNQN summation POQN. Putting the value from the table, we can write root over summation PNQ 333 divided by 270 multiple PNQN 384 by POQN 312 and PNO. We can write summation POQN by summation PNQN. Just replace base year on current year and current year on base year. Multiple summation POQO by summation PNQO. Now putting the value from the table, we can write POQN 312 divided by PNQN 384 multiple POQO 270 by 70 by PNQO 333. Now multiple by PON into multiple PNO equal to whole root 333 by 270 multiple 384 by 312 multiple 312 by 384 multiple 270 by 333 equal to root over 1. Root over 1 equal to 1. So we know that this multiple this equal to 1. Then we have to say the Fisher's index satisfies the time reversal test. So Fisher's index satisfies the time reversal test. Time reversal test. Okay, dear students, you have understand. I hope that. Similarly, we can calculate. We can show that the factor reversal test of Fisher's index. Now we calculate the factor reversal test. Factor reversal test of Fisher's index. We know that factor reversal test formula. The formula is P suffix on multiple Q suffix on equal to B suffix on. Then we call the factor reversal test is satisfied. The Fisher's index is satisfied the factor reversal test. So we calculate the quantity index of Fishers and value index. Quantity index Q suffix n equal to root over summation Qn PO by summation Q O PO multiple summation Qn Pn by summation Qo Pn. Qo Pn. Now putting the value from the table, we can write POQN 312 divided by 270 into PNQN 384 by PNQ 333 and value index VON equal to summation Pn Qn by summation PO Qo equal to PNQN 384 by POQO 270. Now we calculate the value PON multiple QON equal to root over 333 by 270 multiple 384 by 312 multiple 312 by 270 multiple 384 by 333. Then cross the cancel 312 312 333 333. We can write 384 square by 270 square. Now root n square is cancelled. Then we can write 384 by 270 equal to VON. So we can write the Fisher's index is satisfies the factor reversal test. Okay, dear students. So Fisher's index satisfies the factor reversal test. Factor reversal test. Okay, dear students, have you understand? Dear students, you watch the video again and again and attentively. If you face any problem, then discuss with me. Now I will give you a homework. Today's homework is page number 762. Today's homework is 7 chapter 62 page CQ now 3. You will solve the question and send my inbox the solution. Okay, dear students, thanks to all. Goodbye.